What's up, guys and girls? It's good to see you today on the Speak and See Show. I ask you to like, subscribe, and click that notification button. So when I get information out, you can get information in as we have gotten today. I've just received word or a email from crypto.com explaining the new tax laws and requirements that are going into effect this year for those of you who are involved in crypto.com and probably have been for a few years, haven't had to really deal with the IRS, but hello, it's a new day. It's a new day. Now, of course, you're making money on crypto, or some of you are losing money on crypto. Either way, you have to address the IRS with these issues. It is considered taxable income, So here we go. I'm just going to go over this real quick, and that way you guys have a heads up on what you're going to do, and this will give you an idea of what to expect for the up and coming IRS requirements. There are some states that are involved, and there are some states that are not involved yet. So you might a few of you might be able to hold off until next year on how you're going to deal with this. But this is what we have just received from crypto.com, the new IRS requirements. I'm going to read this real quick, make your day go by short, so you can go back forth, move forward, and prosper. Dear valued customer, they said, as per IRS requirements, we will soon be sending you your Form 1099-K. It will be sent by our third-party partner, Track 1099, from their email address, no reply at track1099.com. This is just saying you're going to be getting a form. It's going to be coming from a third party. Who's that going to be yet? We don't know. We'll find out, and we'll cross that bridge when we get there, and I will inform you when I get there, so that I can tell you. The IRS requires cryptocurrency exchanges to send a Form 1099-K to all customers who completed more than 200 transactions with a total gross amount of over $20,000. So this kind of goes into the, remember the $600 or more category that the IRS was trying to implement? Well, this kind of is a little bit more leeway this goes to all states right here. This is for all transactions. If you did over 200 transactions with a total gross of $20,000, they require you to send a Form 1099-K. So if you're under that threshold, then you may be safe at the moment as far as this year goes. In addition to the IRS, the following state level. So now that was federal level that we're talking about with the 1099 with 200 transactions and 20,000 or more. That's a federal level. That's for everybody. That goes for everybody. Now, as far as the state levels go, for those of you that have to file for state income tax as well, these states are going to apply to you. Vermont, Massachusetts, Maryland, Washington, DC, Mississippi, and Virginia, when the total gross amount is greater than $600. That's a crying shame. But that's the way it is now. So those states looking like it's going to be $600 or more, you're going to have to file this as well. New Jersey and Illinois, when the total gross amount is greater than $1,000. Gee, thanks. Missouri, when the total gross amount is greater than $1,200. And Arkansas, when the total gross amount is greater than $2,500. So those are the state requirements that we're looking at right there. Those are the numbers. You might want to write those down or keep a mental note on that. Note, the gross amount reported on your 1099-K does not represent gains or losses you may need to report to the IRS. It is an information form reporting the total number of gross amount of cryptocurrency transactions completed during the 2021 fiscal year. They're not only concerned about the total amount of money that you've put into transactions, they're concerned about the total amount of transactions you've made with cryptocurrencies going back and forth, because I guess it looks like they're trying to keep people from hiding money. And basically that's one way to do it. Kudos to them. Please consult with your tax expert, CPA, or tax attorney on how you should treat reporting of digital activity. I am not a CPA. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here giving you the information that you need in order to have a heads up and awareness of what to do with your cryptocurrency money as far as reporting to the IRS, since the time is near to do that. If you do not receive your Form 1099-K, please contact our customer support team via in-app chat, and we're here to help. That's if you have crypto.com, then you can contact their support team. You just go to crypto.com, you look in the right bottom corner, and there's a little chat message there that you can actually chat with somebody. Usually takes about after you put in your chat question, give it about 5 to 10 hours. There's somebody that usually pops up and gives you a copy and paste answer. But nonetheless, they do respond to your questions. So hopefully this will help you all in regards to knowing a little bit more about what the IRS is involved with and what the requirements are for your taxes going forth in the cryptocurrency world. Guys, I ask that you like and subscribe once again. I will keep you posted more on the crypto.com backlash that we are seeing as far as the people not being able to get in and out of their accounts. We're going to try to help you get back into those, as well as we have put a couple of videos out in the recent past. We're going to keep you updated on how that's going, as well as your EIDL grants, loans, and SBA, Small Business Administration needs. Guys, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a good day.
Yeah.